Welcome to Vancouver Carpenter. I'm gonna give you guys a real quick little secret tip about mixing your mud and how to make it work well through the course of the job, especially for a small job. So let's say you buy yourself a whole bucket of mud and it's pretty thick, right? Like it doesn't have a lot of water added to it, so it needs to have water added to it to tape. Taping is usually the first stage of the job. So you have to add quite a lot of water to your mud in order to make it tapeable. Now, if you thin down the entire bucket that much, the rest of your mud at taping mud consistency is going to be way too thin to coat the walls. So maybe you've got a job that's not even big enough to use up that whole bucket of mud. What are you going to do with that whole bucket of like super soupy mud? It's going to turn all rotten on you and it's just not going to work well. So here's what I do in that situation. So unfortunately, I've already mixed it up to the perfect thickness for coating. But what I did is I had my full bucket of mud, I poured a bunch of water in, you know, maybe about half a pan full. And instead of mixing all the way down to the bottom, what I did was I carefully mixed up here. So I got that top 4 inches real soupy and it was perfect for taping with. However, the bottom 8 inches or so of the bucket was still really thick because I hadn't mixed it all the way down. So I'm about to leave this job today, but I've got a couple things that I want to cheat and coat today after they've been taped. Couple no coat inside corners, things like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix down to the bottom of the bucket and get that soupy top 4 inches mixed down with the thick stuff on the bottom. And it's going to be perfect consistency for coating when I come back next week. So there's a little bit of mud management for you. Hopefully that helps you out, helps you make the best out of all your mud. Anyways, thanks for watching Vancouver Carpenter. Hopefully you're doing well and hopefully your project's going well. Thanks for watching. Till the next video.